How to remove mention on Instagram story after posting. Hello everyone, I am Vishakha and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to remove mention on Instagram story after posting it. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. If you are looking forward to remove mention on Instagram story after posting it, then firstly, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and further, go ahead and add a story and add a mention and wait for the story to be posted. Once the story has been posted, as of now, there is no such way to delete mentions on Instagram. So the only way to remove the mention is go ahead and delete the existing story and post it again, and this time post the story without adding the mention. So as of now, this is the only way you can remove mention on Instagram story after posting it. Nevertheless, you can add mentions on your Instagram story by tapping on the three dots and then on the add mention option even after posting the story. So, if you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.